In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your eBay store to Instagram. If you're looking to expand your online presence and seamlessly integrate your eBay store with Instagram, you're in the right place. From setting up automated workflows to ensuring your products reach a wider audience, this tutorial will cover all the essentials. First, what you'll need to do is head over to Zapier.com. Zapier is a powerful tool that allows you to automate tasks between different apps. Think of it as a bridge that connects your eBay store with Instagram, allowing them to communicate and work together without you having to lift a finger. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. It's a straightforward process, and once you're logged in, you're ready to start creating your first Zap. Next, we'll dive into creating Zaps. In Zapier lingo, a Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects two or more apps. To begin, you'll want to click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic starts, as you'll be automating the connection between your eBay store and your Instagram account. Remember, the key here is to think about what specific actions you want to automate. Do you want to post new eBay listings directly to Instagram? Or perhaps update your Instagram followers about sales or promotions? Having a clear goal will help you set up the Zap effectively. Now, the next step is to select a trigger. In our case, the trigger app will be eBay. A trigger is what kicks off the automation process. For instance, this could be a new listing going live on your eBay store. Once you've selected eBay as your trigger app, you'll need to choose a specific trigger event. This could be something like new item, which means every time a new item is listed on eBay, the Zap will be activated. With the trigger selected, the next step is to sign into your eBay account through Zapier. This is a necessary step to allow Zapier to access your eBay data and perform the actions you're setting up. After signing in, it's important to test the trigger to make sure everything is working smoothly. Zapier will guide you through this process. Testing ensures that the connection between Zapier and your eBay account is active and that the Zap will work as intended. Once the trigger is tested and working correctly, it's time to move on to selecting an action. The action app, in this scenario, will be Instagram for Business. Actions are the tasks you want to be performed whenever the trigger event occurs. For example, if you selected new item as your trigger, the action could be posting that new item on Instagram. Selecting Instagram for Business is crucial because it provides more integration features tailored for businesses compared to a standard Instagram account. Following this, you'll need to select an action event. This action event could be something like Create Media Post. This means that whenever your trigger event occurs, a new post will be automatically published on your Instagram business account. Consider what type of content you'd like to share and select the appropriate action event that aligns with your business goals. The final step involves signing into your Instagram account through Zapier and testing the action. Just like with eBay, you'll need to authorize Zapier to access your Instagram for Business account. Testing the action is a critical step. It ensures that your Zap is fully functional and your eBay listings will smoothly transition over to Instagram as intended. This simple guide will show you how to connect your eBay store to Instagram, ensuring that you have a seamless workflow between the two platforms. By following these steps, you'll be able to automate your processes, save time, and potentially reach a broader audience with your eBay listings. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.